What creators have described is a multi-million-dollar deletion machine aimed at erasing critics from this platform. And in their telling, it starts with Claressa Shields. If you're a creator in 2026, you need to understand the 3-step deletion machine being used to silence critics covering Claressa Shields. Step 1, the money. This is the $8 million cleanup. In November 2025, Claressa Shields signed a minimum guaranteed $8 million deal with Wynn Records. This money funded a professional digital janitor operation. They hired Tracy S. Moore and her company, Affluent Conversations, to treat the internet like a private server and scrub any content that threatens the $8 million brand. Step 2, the bait. This is the coordinated trap. They use a specific network of high subscriber channels, 9 MAG TV, 1.39 million subscribers, My Husband Is My Best Friend, 349,000 subscribers, and Newborn Arrival, to post exclusive rants and personal drama. They want you to clip this footage because the moment you upload it, the 2026 likeness AI flags your channel. They aren't searching for you. The system finds you automatically because they own the source video. Step 3, the kill switch. This is the privacy and copyright loophole. They don't just use one type of strike, they use whatever will delete you fastest. Tracy Moore uses privacy violations to bypass fair use entirely, triggering an automatic 48-hour deletion timer. If that doesn't work, she hits you with a copyright strike from the Wynn Digital legal team. It is a coordinated pincer move designed to silence you without a trial. The privacy attack. Tracy Moore files a privacy complaint against your video. The loophole is that YouTube does not allow a fair use defense for privacy. YouTube instantly starts a 48-hour timer. You are forced to delete your own video within 2 days or risk YouTube staff reviewing and removing it themselves. The copyright attack. At the exact same time, Wynn Digital's legal team files a traditional copyright strike. The pincer move. This is a tactic where an opponent or regulator attacks from 2 sides simultaneously. Tracy Moore and Wynn are separate parties. The pincer move means both sides of the lawsuit are attacking you at the same time to ensure your video is deleted. By launching both attacks at once, they coordinate to overwhelm you. It forces you to delete your own video before you can even get a lawyer to fight it. It is an instant kill switch designed to delete your evidence and silence you. To name a few, 2026 Target hit lists, powered by Tracy at womenbusinesses.net. February 2nd, L. Archer, channel terminated, harassment and privacy trap. February 11th, Geisha 305, multiple videos scrubbed, privacy loophole. February 18th, Cooking with Frank, channel terminated, mass reporting. February 25th, Charisma Speaks, hit with copyright strikes, Wynn Digital and Tracy Moore. The warning. If you see exclusive content on 9 MAG TV, My Husband Is My Best Friend, or Newborn Arrival, do not touch it. It is a proprietary business asset designed to trigger a safety violation. They aren't winning the argument, they are just deleting the players.